Okay, so this is the fold-out trailer hitch on the Volvo XC90. You gotta press and hold it like that, and then it comes out from down here, like so. And you just gotta twist it. Kind of locks into place like that. It's rock solid. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool. And then this is what it looks like. And then if you want to hide it, just press and hold like that. Give it a sec. And then when it folds down like this, you gotta just fold it back up like that. And then when you look at it from here, it's completely sealed. You can't even see it. How cool is that? So this was a 2019 XC90 T8. And this is a factory installed option, or like a late stage configuration option, if you will. And that's what it looks like. Really awesome stuff. So thanks guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.